If you have a business of public transit authority, then this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. Today we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your public transit authority. While running a public transit authority business, you get a lot of inquiry on WhatsApp regarding routes, updates, alerts and whatnot. Replying each inquiry individually would be a time-consuming and hectic task. That's where Pabbly Chatflow make a huge difference. When users send a message, it automates your task and save your valuable time. If you want to know how to create this amazing chatbot for your own business, then let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. Today we are going to learn how to create WhatsApp chatbot for your public transit authority using Pabbly Chatflow. This chatbot will automatically respond to people, collect their details and guide them through the inquiry process. So let's get started. As you can see, I have created this chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Let me show you its real-time working. For that, I need to open WhatsApp web. And over here, I will type a key message. For example, hey. As you can see, I got a response reply in which they welcome me to the Pabbly Transit, and with that they have given me 3 action buttons which I can choose according to my requirement. Let's say I want to see fare and payment. I will click on that. After clicking on that, I got a response reply in which they mention ticket prices, monthly pass, student pass and their payment mode. With that, they have given me an action button which says talk to support. As soon as I have clicked to talk to support, they have responded me that they are going to connect me to their support assistant. Their average responding time is 2 to 5 minutes. With that, they have offered me a menu button. So as soon as I have clicked on menu button, I got initial message again. So yes, as you can see, this chatbot is replying me within second, and that too without any manual effort, which made my customer experience so much better. If you want to learn how to create this chatbot for your own business, then let me guide you further. For that, you need to open new tab and type pabbly.com/chatflow. As soon as you search this, you will be landed on pabbly.com page. Over here, you can see there are 2 options, sign up for free and sign in. If you are a new user, you can sign up for free. As I am existing user, I will click on sign in. After signing in, you will be redirected to the All Pabbly app page. Here you can see there are 7 different applications, but today I'm working with Pabbly Chatflow. I will click on Access Now button. After clicking on Access Now button, you will be redirected to the dashboard page. Here you can add and manage all your WhatsApp number from one place without opening WhatsApp separately. To add your WhatsApp number, there is an option given on the top right corner named by Add WhatsApp Number. Inside this, there are 2 features, WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. In Manual Token Connect, you need to enter Meta Access Token, phone number ID, WhatsApp Business Account ID manually. But in WhatsApp Connect, you just need to verify Meta Business Manager account and link your WhatsApp Business account with it. Okay, not only that, there are many more features on dashboard. Let's see each feature individually. Below dashboard, there is an inbox option where you can manage all your conversation with your customer without opening WhatsApp separately. Below that, we have contact section where you can create all new contact and separate them according to your requirement. After that, we have team queue where you can assign different tasks to different team members and review their performances. After that, we have template where you can create customized template, and by creating customized template, you can give personalized touch to your chat. Below template, we have broadcast where you can send mass message to bulk of customer using customized template. After that, we have flow, which is a powerful tool to create chatbot. Below that, we have AI Assistant, Setting and Get Help. If you want to know each feature individually, we have created separate video for that. Link will be provided in the description box. So, as we got to know about each feature, let's get started building this flow. For that, we need to click on Flow and you will be redirected to the Flow Builder page. Here, to create a new flow, you need to click on Add Flow button, which is given on the top right corner. After clicking on Add Flow button, you will be landed on this page. Here you can see a window is open named by Flow Start. Inside this, there are 3 features, keywords, regex and choose template. Let's see each feature individually. Choose template is a feature where you can choose your created template to give personalized touch to your chat. Regex are the regular expression with special pattern or sequence of character used to find match or filter specific text. After that, we have keywords. Keywords are the trigger message that your customer will put while initiating a conversation. As we got to know about all three features, let's build this flow. For that, you need to give a meaningful name to this flow. As we are making this chatbot for Public Transit Authority, I will name it accordingly as WhatsApp chatbot for your Public Transit Authority. After that, I will enter reject, which will identify what my customer is trying to say. Now, as soon as my customer enter a message, I want to give them a welcome message. For that, I will drag and drop and select the text button over here. Under this, I'm going to enter my message. Welcome to Public Transit, your commute compassion. Whether you are catching the next bus, hopping on the last train, or checking route alert, we have got you covered in real time. How can I help you today? And with this welcome message, I will add action button. To add action button, you need to click on add button option and enter your text. As I have entered fare and payment, for my next action button, again I'm going to click on add button option and enter find route and timing. And for our third action button, I will enter service alert. Now, after adding all three action button, I want to give separate message for each action button. Let's start with fare and payment. For fare and payment, I will enter a message. For that, I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message like this, in which I will mention all the payment details. With that, I will provide two action button, menu and talk to support. As you can see, I have added few emojis with my action button to make it much more attractive. Now, I'm going to connect menu option with our initial message. That means as soon as someone click on menu option, they will get initial message again. Now, let's move to our second action button, which is route timing. To find personalized route timing, I need to ask few questions to my customer. For that, I will drag and drop ask question button from action section and connect with my action button. And here I'm going to enter my message. Find best route for your trip. Enter your starting point and I'm going to select my contact custom field as starting point and my format as any. Now you must be wondering from where we can add our contact custom field. For that, first you need to save your flow. As you can see, I got a message that flow updated successfully. That means my flow is saved. Now come with me to the settings section. Here you can see a feature contact custom field. After landing on this page, you can add as many contact custom field as per your requirement. As you can see, I have added multiple contact custom field over here. Now I will resume back to my flow. Now, after knowing about the starting point, I will ask my customer about their destination. For that, again, I'm going to drag and drop ask question button and connect with my previous question. Don't forget to connect your questions with each other. Over here, I will enter my message, enter your destination, and at contact custom field, I will select destination and format as any. After knowing their starting point and destination, I will give them a message in which I will mention that our team will contact with best route possible. For that, I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message like this, in which I thanks my customer to sharing their detail with us and let them know that they will get their query resolved in 10 to 15 minutes. After that, I will put two action button with it as well, menu and talk to support. Now I will provide a separate message for talk to support. For that, I'm going to drag and drop and select the text button. After that, I will enter my message in which I will mention that our support team will contact them as soon as possible. And I'm going to connect every talk to support button with it. Now let's move to our third action button, which is service alert. For service alert, I will enter a separate message. For that, again, I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message, in which I will provide all the alerts that are being updated. With that, I'm going to provide two action button, menu and talk to support. I will connect my menu button with initial message and talk to support button with message that I recently added for talk to support like this. Now, as you can see, I have entered all the design information that would be needed to run a chatbot for Public Transit Authority. After that, don't forget to active your flow and save it. As you can see, I got a message that flow updated successfully. That means my flow is ready to run in real time. Not only this, you can create many more chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. For any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. For any query, you can write us on forum.pabbly.com, and for pricing detail, you can visit this website. Now go and create your account and create your first chatbot for free. Thank you so much.